Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Christine, and today we are doing a product review on the Real waveformers. If you guys haven't already, I do highly recommend going and watching my waveformers video, because that is why this video is called the Real waveformers, because the waveformers video that I've done and the one that kind of went viral by Amber on Saw is not technically real because it's not the patented, copyrighted one by Flair. But I finally have the patented, copyrighted one by Flair. And I have got some issues already. This is what the waveformer that I know that I got off of eBay looks like. This one was like $14 for a 40 pack. It was stupid cheap. It was off of eBay. Pretty good quality. Got some cute curls out of it. These, however, are $40 a pop. $40 for 20. This is a 20 pack for $40. Luckily, they have this buy one, get one, like 2-pack deal. So I only spent $60 to get 2 of them, because obviously 20 of these are not gonna fill my hair. So 40 of them will, $60. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what it looks like. Already got some bouncing out. This is what it looks like. It's a curl. It's a curl. See, wave, according to Flair. That's like, this is my major problem. It bothers me because it's not a wave. I am a scientific person. You have taken any math class, any science class. This is what your typical wave looks like, because that is how waves are in wavelengths, in any kind of, you know, even the ocean. That's how waves go.
This is not a wave, this is a curl.
My other issue is that curl formers, the Flair has curl formers and they come in 3 different styles. There's the spiral curl, which I did a review on. There is the corkscrew curl, and then there is the barrel curl. And I'm gonna put a picture of the barrel curl right here. But it looks awfully similar to the beach wave curl, so it's like you came out with something that you already kind of had. I really don't know, at least to me it doesn't look very different. You're just calling it something different, which is barrel curl versus beach wave.
What are you doing here, Flair? What are you doing?
It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. Anyways, let's just get started with putting these in my hair. I have already put product in my hair. I use this Oribe Moisturizing Cream Super Shine Light. It's really helpful to hydrate your hair. So I did put that in my hair already. If you guys have never used waveformers, curl formers, anything like that before, I will do a mini tutorial on how to exactly put it in your hair. But first, I'm going to part my hair. So in my original waveformers video, I did part it down the middle, and I had some people be like, why are you parting it down the middle? That's not very cute. And to tell you the reason is, sometimes I do wear my hair down the middle. Not gonna lie, sometimes I do. But the main reason I part it down the middle before doing any kind of curling irons, curl formers, waveformers, before I'm doing anything to dry my hair, I do this specifically because when I part it to the side that I like to normally part it on, it gives it more volume. And with a person that has naturally straight hair, where you can get volume, you will do it. You will do it where you can get it. So that is why I part my hair down the middle, especially when I'm doing anything that's gonna dry my hair. So you're gonna take your hook, which it comes with any kind of packaging you get from Flair. You're gonna slide your
waveformer on.
And then you're gonna place the hook facing up, and you're gonna slide your hair in here, and you wanna keep it facing up, because if you don't keep it facing up, it's gonna hurt. Speaking from experience, it will like grab onto your hair, it'll rip out some hair. Just, you gotta keep it facing up. And so I'm gonna take a piece, and then once it's facing up, you're gonna kind of get it as close as the root to your hair as possible. Then you're gonna pinch the side piece and then just pull your hair through. Ta-da! So I do want to mention that curl formers, the original curl formers, they differentiated the way the curl went by coloring. So like one curl was pink, The other way was orange. Curl formers decided to do just a blue line. So this curls one way. Without the blue line, it curls a different way. Which, I mean, I think is like, I understand they wanted it all to look uniform, but if anybody has color deficiencies, like are kind of colorblind like I am, it might be really hard for them to tell the difference between what curl it is, and it's not going to be as easy for them. They'll just have to like really look closely. So I think their original idea of separating it by two obviously different colors was better. So I'm gonna basically do them all going the same way and do my entire set of hair and see how this turns out. Okay, I'm not completely done with my hair, but this has already used all the waveformers in one bag, so I'm now on to the second bag. Okay, they are all in. Now, these are technically like heatless curls, so you can either like go to sleep in these, do your homework, wear them around, lounge, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna get my handy dandy tool and attach it to my hair dryer and dry these curls out so you guys can see the final product without waiting like 10 hours. Alright, 30 minutes later and here we are. Okay. It's definitely not a beach wave. Not running my fingers through it at all yet. I probably will. It's not very like beach wavy. Like, it's kind of almost disappointing. It honestly just looks like I curled my hair with a curling iron. Like, nothing amazing. Like, almost kind of disappointing, actually. Like, unfortunately. Like, I'm gonna run my fingers through my hair and see if that helps. Like, it's still cute. I'm not saying that it's not cute. It's just, it's not a beach wave. But it's not like what the waveformers got me either. Not terrible. It's definitely not a beach wave though. Like, beach waves are legit like waves. They're like really loose like that. Like, that is what I would think a beach wave, like if this was stretched out, like that's what it would look like. This is honestly, it's curly hair. It's curly hair. Like, it's nothing I would rave about, but it's definitely, it's still cute. Like, honestly, I would still like go on a date night with it. It's cute, but I honestly, in a personal opinion, it is not a beach wave. And I think that if you were to use the ones that I purchased from like eBay, that if you did this and like larger chunks of your hair, you'd most likely get more of a beach wave look. This, however, is not a beach wave. It's a curl. They call this a beach flare, but I don't know about you guys, but my hair does not look like this after a day at the beach. But it's still cute. I think it's still cute. Was it worth $60 though? I'm gonna have to say no. Like, Hair Flair, you guys are a great company. Obviously you have great products. They curl your hair. That's awesome. They do it without heat. But this is not a beach wave. It's still cute, but I don't think this is worth $60 when I can actually get a wave from like eBay for like $15. And that's all I gotta say about that. If you guys want to try this yourselves, I will put the link in the description below, and you guys can either do just the one container, which is like $40, or you can do two of them, which is $60, and do your whole hair. Up to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found at least some information helpful reviewing this product. If you guys haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed to my channel. And that is it. Bye!